measure. This is where they would have slept. Can you imagine sleeping on that?
Ow.
Yeah, ow.
You get stuck in it
Is that
somewhere.
what
Oh,
they
yeah.
say, is that what they stamp their work with?
That would have been on their paperwork.
Oh, okay.
That, over there, you see those?
Yeah.
That's what they would have stamped their wood with.
Oh, okay.
There you go. And hammer it in. They have these, when the logs got caught in the river, they'd use these to unstick them. We also had, of course, cooking ware they would have. Remember all the tin and aluminum and stuff that's not good for you? Again, you have your 2-man saw, you have your raft paddle. So if you were rafting down to unclog everything. So that's the end of this tour. We do have the cars out there. You might want to go see. We've got a Model A. Have a nice day. You too.